Well, it's been a while since we are waiting for the successor of the well appreciated Moto X4, but it turns out that we are not gonna get Moto X5. Instead, the Lenovo owned company Motorola is planning to bring another masterpiece into the market by joining hands with the Android One program. Hello friends, we are here at Baaz and today I'm gonna tell you about the Motorola One power smartphone that will bring back Android One to the Motorola once again. Android One is a series of smartphones that runs the unmodified Android operating system. It is a hardware and software standard created by Google, intended to provide a consistent user interface and improve security through the frequent updates and Google Play Protect. This device will be launched by the name of Motorola One Power. Specifications of the device have already been leaked. This device is expected to have the latest Android 8.1 Oreo, but with the Android One program, this could be amongst the first phones to get Android P. The phone is expected to have an internal storage of 64 GB with 4 GB of RAM. That is just more than enough to help you with your daily use. Everything will be supported by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 processor. It's got a 6.2-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 2280 x 1080p and the trending notch at the top just like the iPhone X. The notch contains a front-facing camera of 8 megapixels with an aperture of 2.2, proximity sensor and an earpiece as well. The phone has a slim bezel design with Motorola branding at the bottom. The back portion of the phone has a dual camera setup similar to the iPhone X with an LED flash as well. The dual camera includes 12 megapixel primary camera and a 5 megapixel secondary camera with an aperture of 1.8 and 2.0 respectively. As far as the battery is concerned, the expected 3780 mAh should be enough if we have something like turbo or power charging feature. It's expected that it will have a fingerprint scanner at the back which will remove the expectation of the one-button navigation, which has been a very good feature by Motorola till date. But we can expect to have all other Moto actions available in this device. The specifications of the smartphone suggest that it could be aimed towards the upper middle range market, but right now there is no information about its pricing or release date. Be sure to like the video and subscribe my channel to get the latest updates about the technology. And make sure to share this video if you think your friends would also like to know more about Moto One Power. Thank you.